guys, we are here riding Nitro at Six Flags Grand Adventure. This has always been one of my favorite B&M hypercoasters. You love it so much. Alright, here we go. Climbing this rope has always made me a little bit nervous. This is one of the first B&M hybrids, right? I'm sure people on the internet will tell us how old Nitro is. If you know what year Nitro was built, be sure to comment in the comments below. Let's see how smart you are about roller coasters. So we're almost at the top of Nitro's hotel. You ready? Alright. Now, hands up for the first drop. Ready? Alright, hold your hands up at home. Oh my god! Like a buffet of bunny hills.
What bunny hills?
And number 2. Whee! Number 3.
Bunny hills.
You're like Count Chocula over there. Not Count Chocula. The Count. Wait, Count Chocula. He's the. I just want breakfast cereal like that. Wait, it's the Count, right? Like 1 peanut butter sandwich, 2 peanut butter sandwiches. Got it. All right. What did we just ride?
Nitro.
Nitro at Great Adventure. We love it. 1 peanut butter sandwich, 2 peanut butter sandwiches.
Really messed up my hair.
I just want a peanut butter sandwich now.
You're so always hungry.
It's between breakfast cereal and peanut butter sandwiches. What would you rather have? I guess you guys can post in the comments. Would you rather have a peanut butter sandwich or some Count Chocula cereal? This is what we do on roller coasters, right? Yeah. We love the ride, but now we're hungry. So,
I'm always hungry.
and we hope you are too. All right, we're gonna say goodbye now. Bye bye.